Welcome back to my channel. Susan Marques here with Virtue Real Estate Group. Today, I'm taking you behind the gates of one of the most exclusive guard-gated golf communities in all of Las Vegas and Henderson, Nevada. Canyon Gate Estates and Legacy Estates. These communities aren't just where you live, they are a lifestyle. This double gated community features a championship golf course, 24/7 security, mountain backdrop views that are just stunning, and homes that look like they belong in Architectural Digest. Be sure to stick around as we take a tour of a hidden gem on Troon Drive. Legacy Estates is a guard-gated enclave of about 85 custom homes, tucked away inside Grand Legacy and edging the Legacy Golf Club. Think quiet streets, mature landscaping, and that country club vibe people move to Green Valley for. Henderson consistently ranks among the safest, largest cities in the U.S. So if you're after serenity without giving up access, you're in the right place. Legacy, one of Henderson's premier golf course communities, is built around the award-winning Legacy Golf Club and is nestled in the heart of Green Valley South. The Legacy Golf Club is known as one of the most challenging golf courses in the Las Vegas Valley, blending traditional and desert-style play. Within the larger Legacy neighborhood are several distinct enclaves, including the Estates, Inverness, Legacy Highlands, and the Gallery at Grand Legacy. Grand Legacy itself is a guard-gated community with over 300 homes, ranging from luxury production residences to stunning custom builds, backing right onto the gorgeous fairways. These homes were crafted between 1992 and 2000. Homes range from 2,200 square feet to nearly 4,800 square feet, with many enjoying direct golf course frontage views. Legacy Estates is Henderson's hidden jewel. This community sits in the prestigious Grand Legacy, right off the Legacy Golf Course in Green Valley. With only 85 luxury homes, Legacy Estates is one of the most exclusive neighborhoods in Henderson, Nevada. You've got privacy, a prime location near the district at Green Valley Ranch, and Henderson itself, ranked as one of the top 5 safest cities in the nation. And families love it here, but so do high-end buyers looking for sophistication and security. And today's feature, you are going to love. We're stepping inside 2058 Troon Drive, a jaw-dropping $4.15 million modern estate in Grand Legacy Estates. And let me tell you, this is one that is unforgettable. I did do an interview tour with the listing agent, so feel free to watch that video as well and get all the inside scoop. This home also spans over 9,100 square feet on nearly a half acre, and it's completely reimagined with modern luxury in every detail of the home. You have 6 bedrooms, 8 bedrooms, and spacious designed for both entertaining and everyday living. And you will, again, love this community. You have greenery that surrounds, lush landscaping, and custom style homes. Henderson features a unique blend of suburban tranquility and city convenience with quick and easy access to the Las Vegas Strip, making it a top choice for those seeking a balanced lifestyle. Residents enjoy easy access to the district at Green Valley Ranch, which is a hub for shopping, dining, and entertainment, while also being just minutes from the vibrant energy of the nearby Las Vegas. For outdoor enthusiasts, Henderson also offers a wealth of recreational opportunities, including hiking trails at Sloan Canyon and the picturesque Lake Las Vegas and numerous parks and green spaces. Henderson is also known for its nickname as Tree City with its trails and parks. You will find greenery throughout. And what really makes Henderson stand out is the exceptional quality of life. Consistently, as I said, ranked as one of the safest cities in the nation, it offers some of the top schools in Nevada as well. Additionally, the city's warm climate and nearly year-round sunshine creates the perfect environment for an active outdoor lifestyle. So whether you're a family looking for a safe and welcoming place to call home or a prospective buyer seeking elegance and exclusivity, Henderson has something for everyone. And Legacy Estates captures the best of what this remarkable city has to offer: privacy, luxury, and a location that truly has it all. So we're coming up on our listing on the left here, and I just want to give you a little sneak peek. And again, we are here at Legacy Estates in Henderson, Nevada, and these homes are just impeccable. You have so much space and lush greenery throughout this community. It's really just a beautiful golf course community. You have Legacy Golf Course right there. The fairway overlooks the listing tour that we did. You have full golf course and mountain views throughout, and beautiful designs throughout this community here in Henderson, Nevada. And coming up on Troon Drive. So this listing here is going to be presented by Gabby Greer. And the full tour of this beautiful home here is in the comments below. So be sure to check out that video, and thanks for watching this tour. This home spans over 9,100 square feet on nearly half acre, and it's been completely reimagined with modern luxury in every single detail. So again, we have 6 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms, and spaces designed for both entertaining and everyday living. This quaint sitting room has floor to ceiling glass, and then it is conveniently connected to the theater room. As you enter, check out these 30-foot ceilings and walls of glass that frame the panoramic golf course and mountain views. Light pours in from every angle and every room, creating the perfect indoor-outdoor flow. The seamless blend of indoor and outdoor living spaces is highlighted by those elegant pocketing sliding glass doors and an open floor plan, perfectly designed to frame those stunning panoramic views of the golf course and surrounding mountains. With expansive glass walls and those stunning 30-foot ceilings, this space seamlessly combines sophistication with the beauty of its natural surroundings. A rare gem in the desert, this property also features a basement, so stick around to see that, offering a unique versatility as it also has a separate kitchen down there. Complementing the main residence, you'll also find a detached casita and a private fully equipped gym complete with a sauna. For that resort style relaxation, enjoy the Infinity Edge pool and spa or unwind in your own private movie theater. This home is the epitome of convenience and luxury. Every detail of this home has been thoughtfully crafted to inspire awe. Designed with entertaining in mind, the highlight is this ultra modern chef's kitchen, a true centerpiece equipped with premium appliances. It features dual islands with striking waterfall edge and ample cabinetry throughout, and an expansive walk-in pantry to meet all your storage needs. The space is elevated with imported porcelain accent walls, a backdrop framed by bespoke cabinetry, two-tone cabinetry as well, and breathtaking custom lighting fixtures. It's essentially a work of art designed for entertaining throughout this beautiful home. You'll adore the layout and the two-tone cabinets that really highlight the space with warmth and brightness and an inviting feel throughout. This beautiful home is designed for not just the entertainment, but functionality. It has a beautiful layout with a private, authentic, and traditional dining room. And again, those floor to ceiling glass that really draws in the natural light. Some of my favorite features is this formal dining room, which also connects to a guest suite complete with a private bath and separate entrance, perfect for hosting guests or setting up a home office. Each bathroom is thoughtfully designed with its own unique style. The home also offers two elegant staircases that lead up to the upper level, adding both charm and functionality. Now let's talk about this bar. This gorgeous bar is perfectly, again, connected to the kitchen and the great room, offering that perfect layout for entertainment. You have that backlit Cristallo stone and custom cabinetry throughout. This home was perfectly remodeled and revamped, newly customized cabinets, flooring, and all the design features that you see are top-end custom finishes. And that's not all. The open concept great room seamlessly flows, again, creating that perfect space for connection and comfort. The striking wrought iron and wood staircase adds a bold, elegant touch that is also warm and inviting. Upstairs, every bedroom is spacious and an ensuite, offering ultimate privacy and comfort for your guests. And the primary suite is so gorgeous and beautiful, featuring stunning panoramic views of the surrounding golf course and mountains. The ultimate sanctuary, thoughtfully designed with luxurious spa-like ambience. It also features a dual walk-in closet and a bathroom that could rival a five-star resort. And again, those views are picturesque. You can just picture yourself waking up to a breathtaking scenery every morning with these beautiful sweeping views of the golf course and surrounding mountains. Next up, taking it downstairs. Again, you have that full kitchen. How convenient for guests or entertaining. You have so much opportunity and versatility with this basement, and it also conveniently connects to the outdoor space, which features that infinity edge pool, the gym, and of course that casita. Does 2058 Troon Drive check all the boxes for your dream home? If so, share your thoughts in the comments below. Check the description for all the contact and listing information. This listing is presented by Virtue Real Estate. agent Gabby Greer. And I love hearing which property captures your heart and attention. So be sure to leave your comments below this video. And I hope you enjoyed this tour. And like always, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more stunning luxury Las Vegas tours, and share it with someone planning their next big move. I'm Susan Marques with Virtue Real Estate Group, and I'll see you on the next tour.